In the previous video, I have discussed what are the internal environment, and in this video, I will be mainly focusing on the external environment. External means which lies outside the business, but they have a huge impact on the business. That is why we call it the environment of business, the surrounding. So external environment lies outside, but the business has maximum chance to be influenced by the external changes in the external environment. So who are the groups present in the external environment? Number one is consumers. Consumer means the group of people who buy the products delivered by the business. Now how can they influence? If suppose the consumer develops a taste and preference towards the product which is given by the business will make a profit. Similarly, if the consumer's taste and preferences change and they are not in favor of the product delivered by the business, then the business will lose. Then suppliers. Suppliers means the distributors of raw materials. Now business, whenever it has to produce something, it needs a set of raw materials collected from the suppliers. Now suppliers will sell the raw materials only to that business from where they will be earning maximum profit. So if the business competition increasing means suppose another business firm enters delivering the same product. So they will also be needing the raw materials. So suppose they are ready to pay a higher price, so the suppliers are channelizing their resources to the other business house. So what will happen? The business will fail to tap the raw materials and they have to search a new supplier. So that will be a negative impact on the business, because to trust a new supplier or to find a new supplier who will be able to give the raw materials at a lesser price requires time for searching. Next is competitors. Competitor means other business house. Suppose this is firm 1. Suppose firm 2, firm 3, they are also producing the same type of product. So basically, there is very hard competition between all the 3 firms. So if the other firms' decision about anything, suppose they are improving on their quality of the product. So if they improve on the quality, so there will be throat to throat competition, and this business, if they are unable to enhance the quality, then their sale will drop down, people will not buy. Similarly, if they try to sell the product at a lower price, that will attract majority of the customers and will leave this concerned business house with less sale and less profit making. So what we can see, and there are other external environment also consist of marketing agency. Marketing agency means distributor of product, like wholesalers and retailers, who actually pass on from the business the output to the ultimate consumer. So if the marketing agencies are efficient in transferring or distributing the product and the product is available everywhere, the consumers are able to reach out to the product, then the business will automatically get more name because consumers come to know about the product. So all these are the external environment. Why we call it external environment? Because consumers, they don't belong to the business. Suppliers are a group, they remain outside the business. Competitors are also outside the purview of business, as well as the marketing agencies. Now if all their behavior changes towards or in favor of the business, suppose consumer wants product from this business house, supplier is ready to sell at a lesser price, competitors, there are less competition in the market, or they are not improving their quality or not decreasing their price, so they can enhance their business, and marketing agencies is efficient. But if the reverse happens, that means if the consumers drop down their demand for whatever the business delivers, if the suppliers don't supply the raw materials in correct time or correct price, or if they are attracted by some pricing strategy of the other competitors, if they are offering more, So they will be supplying the raw materials to the other firms who are producing similar product. So they will not be able to tap the resources. Already we know that resources are limited. If other business house gets the raw materials from the suppliers, where from the firm one get? So they cannot increase the output if the raw materials are not enough. So they all have an impact over the business, but they